Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be forging a small hand axe. This axe was forged soon after the Danish-inspired axe. That's why our forge welds still aren't that great, but this is our second attempt. Jumping right into it, I'm forging a U shape that will form the eye of the axe. After forging the U-shape, which will become the eye, it was time to cut steel and fold the axe. After folding the axe over, we added an insert of high carbon steel. Gave us a little trouble, but we ended up getting it to stick. After forging the axe with the flat of the hammer, we switched over to the wedge to fan out the blade. After forging the axe to shape, it was time to true things up. It's now time to harden and heat treat the axe. We're going to heat up the oil using a train spike, and then move on to hardening. For the handle of the axe, I decided to go with the shovel handle. After filing the handle and putting a nice file finish on the axe blade, I'd say this axe is done. If you like this video, leave a like. If you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you all for watching. Until next time.